Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And today I am sharing with you another change inside of the girls' room of the gigantic dollhouse. So this room here had two beds, but what I did was I changed it and I removed the beds to replace them with pink furniture. But now I have removed the pink furniture and replaced it with these here. I have a set of these that I bought at the same time that I bought the pink ones, and they were $10 each at the mall in a store that didn't have anything to do with miniatures. As you can see, there are some little openings there. The purpose of that is to insert your rings. So this was more like a jewelry piece, and I got them each one for $10. Then here, as I mentioned in one of my other videos, this is a table, but what I did here was I placed the stainless steel coaster on top of some magnets that are holding the magnets on the floor below. So those are holding the light for this living room here. So that's what I did here. No one would know that that's what that is. Anyone would just think that that's a table. So then I placed the dresser here along with this one so that you can see that they are part of a set. This was from a set that my friend Nancy sold to me in her yard sale with a whole bunch of other beautiful pieces, all for $25. So that really made my day. But look at how beautiful this furniture is. The pink and the white combination. There's a cage there, and I made my own lamps. As you can see, there are two lamps. That's a drawer knob and a metal base underneath, a metal piece. So I made two lamps for this room. Then there's some books on the table there, on the desk. Then we have a light here. This one doesn't turn on or anything, doesn't do anything, but I bought it at Michael's. And then there are two stuffed animals, you can say. Those are stuffed animals. And this figurine here, the two girls, one of them combing the other one's hair, they are from the Sandra Cox collection. Beautiful pieces. Then here I have a compact mirror with a little elephant on top. Look at that butterfly. Isn't that beautiful? So what I did was I placed magnets underneath to act as the legs for the compact mirror, making it a little table there. Then there's a standing mirror in the corner and a plant right here. So that is the room, which I have changed. And it might just go back to being a bedroom. This is just for the video, because the thing is, if I remove stuff and then I don't have anywhere to put them back, I'll just have pieces in a box. So I rather just fill this up with the beds, and that's it. Alrighty, well, I think that this is it. Oh, the walls you probably know about from my other videos, but this is decorative paper that I used all around. It was a lot of work placing this on the walls because I had to cut. The floor is easier to just change up. And then there's an adhesive tile on the ceiling from the Dollar Tree. And that's a Walmart light, battery operated. So that's it. I think this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.